Uh-oh, that food container won't contain your food. So you mess with cling wraps and foil, hoping food won't spoil. Well, not anymore. Now there's Stretch and Fresh containers, the amazing food storage containers with stretch and fit lids that let you store more. Even the odd-shaped foods you couldn't put in containers before. Watch, just stretch over the food and snap lock the lid to keep food fresh. That's it. Instantly, you've got an airtight seal that locks air out and locks freshness in to help stop spoilage, so foods stay fresher longer. Stretch and Fresh has a clear lid so you can see what's inside, so foods stay sealed, retaining their natural colors, nutrients, and fresh flavors. There's even a freshness date dial to track storage time, so foods don't go past their prime. With an airtight seal this tight, you can store onions without the odors, fresh fish fillets without the fishy smell, and store soups, dressings, and sauces without leaks and spills. Give the kids fresh, healthy grab-and-go treats instead of sweets. Whether you're packing today's work lunch or meals for work all week, store much more with Stretch and Fresh. It comes in the sizes you need to store all the foods you want with amazing storage capacity. It's freezer and microwave safe, so you can prepare, refrigerate, freeze, heat, and serve all from one container. Now that's versatility. To clean, simply rinse a rack in the dishwasher, and the container's nest for compact, stacked, space-saving storage. Stop wasting time and money on cling wraps, foil, and spoiled food. Store more the smart way with Stretch and Fresh.